Hello and welcome to Code Clinic. My name is Patrick Royal. Code Clinic is a monthly course where a unique problem is introduced to a collection of lynda.com authors. In response, each author will create a solution using the programming language of their choice. You can learn several things from Code Clinic: different approaches to solving a problem, the pros and cons of different languages, and some tips and tricks to incorporate into your own coding practices. This month, we'll work on a problem in statistical analysis and, to some extent, in handling big data. It's common to use a computer to manipulate and summarize large amounts of information, providing important insights on how to improve or handle a situation. In this problem, we'll use weather data collected by the U.S. Navy from Lake Pend Oreille in northern Idaho. Lake Pend Oreille is the fifth deepest freshwater lake in the United States. It's so deep, in fact, that the U.S. Navy uses it to test submarines. As part of that testing, the U.S. Navy compiles an exhaustive list of weather statistics, including wind speed, air temperature, and barometric pressure. You can browse this data by pointing your web browser at lpo.dt.navy.mil. You'll find several weather summaries, a webcam, and the raw data that they collect every 5 minutes, archived as standard text files. For anyone living or working on Lake Pend Oreille, weather statistics are an important part of everyday life. Average wind speed can be very different from median wind speed, especially if you are a small boat in the middle of the lake. In this challenge, each of our authors will use their favorite language to calculate the mean and the median of wind speed, air temperature, and barometric pressure recorded at the Deep Moor Station for a given range of dates. First, let's briefly review mean and median. These are both statistics. To explain statistics, we need a set of numbers. How about 14 readings from wind gusts at the Deep Moor Weather Station on January 1st, 2014? You can see the data at this website. The first column is the day the wind gust was recorded, the second column is the time it was recorded, and the third column is the wind gust speed in miles per hour. The mean is also known as the average. To calculate the mean of a range of numbers, simply add the values of the set and then divide by the number of values. In this example, we add 14 plus 14 plus 11 plus 11 and so on, and then we divide the sum by 14, which is the count of the numbers in the set. In this case, the mean is equal to 9. The median is the number halfway between all the values in a sorted range of values. Think of the median as the median strip of a road. It always marks the center of the road. To calculate the median, first sort the numbers from lowest to highest. If there is an odd number of values, then just take the middle number. If there is an even number of values, then calculate the average of the central two numbers. In this case, there is an even number of values, so we sort and then take the average of the middle two values, 8 and 11. The median is 9.5. So there's our first challenge. Pull statistics from a data set available online. Perhaps you want to pause and create a solution of your own. How would you solve the problem? In the next videos, I'll show you how I solve this challenge.